Hi, my name is Tamberella. Today I'm going to be teaching you how I create skin tones using Chameleon markers. I'm going to create 3 different skin tones using a base color and an accent color for each one, and then coming in on top with Chameleon pencils to create shadows. The first thing I did was create a test sheet. These are some sketches that I colored, and I wrote down which shades I used. This will give me hints about what colors I'm going to use when I go to do my final drawings. So going back to my test sheet, you can see that here I explored different shades. Here's a gradient I made going from the NU2 color to the colorless toner, and then I did the same thing with BR2 and BR5. So for this girl here, I began with a base of the NU2 color, and then I used RD2 as my accent color. If you have the color tops, then you can actually blend right from the NU2 to the RD2. But you can see that the addition of the RD2 color helps get the blush in the cheeks, the red in the nose. It just creates a more interesting variable appearance to the skin tone. And then the exact same thing is going on here. I used BR2 as a base, and then I came in over top with BR5. This helps the skin look like it's got more going on. It's not just one tone overall. It's a real human breathing person who has life, blood under the skin. Creating different sections of the face, for example, pink in the cheeks, light on top of the nose, a gradient from, for example, light on the side of the face to shadow on the forehead. All of these things will bring a realistic, three-dimensional appearance to your skin tone. I highly suggest doing a test sheet first and making sure that you understand how your base tone and your accent tone will overlap each other. And you're not just limited to 2 either. I used 2 here, but then I came in with each one of these and used different Chameleon pencils to create darker shadows and even more variation in the skin tone.